No, yeah, no,
Hi guys, this is Sampriti and welcome back to my channel. Well, recently I've been noticing that a lot of YouTubers, Bollywood actors, they're sporting this all white look and they're just nailing this summer season with this kind of look. So this made me look into my wardrobe to look for what are the white things that I have, and with those I tried creating my all white look, and this video is going to be all about that. So yeah, let's get into the video and see what all white look have I created. Let's begin the video. Okay, for this all white look, I have picked up this t-shirt. This is from men's collection, full sleeve. And you're completely dressed up and your sleeves are, in folds here. It do add some, style to the entire look. And again, since this t-shirt is from men's collection, it is all straight cut and very loose because I mostly prefer wearing those kind of t-shirts. However, for this look, I wanted a definition to be given in the entire look. So that's why to get a cut on my midriff, I have tied knot here, as you can see. Although most of you may not like putting a knot on your t-shirt, so for that you can go for some t-shirts which nowadays comes with tie-on in the front, because whenever there is a tie-on in the front or a crisscross kind of stitching going on, it gives an illusion that your midriff is streamlined and is flattering. For that kind of a look, you can go for those tie-up knots in the mid. Well, for now, for this look, I have gone for a side knot. Now coming to the bottom part of this look. So I have picked up this palazzo pants from Reliance Trends. It is in cotton fabric. It has got a very beautiful white print here. Very subtle, so it looks very classy. It goes till my midriff, as you can see here. So it helps me conceal some of the areas in my waistline which I don't want to be showing. So yes, it gives a streamlined effect on my waistline, which I kind of like. For your all white look, you can pick up some white shirt, some A-line skirt, A-line trousers, and you're good to go. Alright, for this look, I have picked up this pair of sandals. The reason behind this one is that because it has got very beautiful designs on it, and as you can see, the rest of the look is very in solid fabric. There is not much of design things going on, so I wanted a little bit of design on my shoes. So however, I had another option. So these are my new white pair of sandals. I have got these ones from Dero. Oh my god, they are my new love. However, again, as you can see, this is a solid material. There is not much of cuts and designs here. I thought that if I wear these ones with this look, it will look very plain or something. I thought it might not look that good. Now let's go to the accessories. For this all white look, I don't want to add any colors to it because I really want it to be very simple, white and subtle, not much of color or any such thing going on. That's why I'm picking up only golden accessories for this look. So for earrings, I can either go for this white, dangling earring. And the other option is going for this all gold earring, which is also very pretty. Well, so my favorite one would be this one. So I am wearing this. Okay, apart from that, for my hand, I'm going for a metal watch, as you can see here. So yes, this is a rose gold metal watch which I'm wearing. So yeah, all gold, and that's why I'm going for a pair of shades, and that also has golden frame. Here it is. Looking good or not? Let me get my hair open, and then we will get to know how it actually looks. Okay, so here it is, my golden frame shade, my metal watch, and a golden pair of earrings. So we're looking good, yeah? Alright, then the other thing I would like to add to this look is what purse. So it also has got some gold tint. So yeah, pretty much this is it. This is my all white and gold look for this season. Do let me know how you like this look. And yes, if you really enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you soon with more of this kind of stylish videos. And until then, this is Sampati signing off. Bye bye.